You've probably seen all people posting their avatar photos on social media. Companies like Lensa and Avatar AI have popularized these. By uploading a few photos from your Instagram, you can get some wild results. But the thing you may not know is the technology under the hood is open for anyone to use. The reason all of these companies released this feature around November is because the technology behind it, namely Stable Diffusion and Dreamwidth machine learning models, have recently been created and are open to the public for use. Stable Diffusion uses fancy modern techniques such as latency diffusion. The TLDR is that really smart engineers at a company called Stability.ai are training and feeding these models a dataset called Lion 5B that contains 5.85 billion publicly scraped images, and the model learns concepts around it. But these tools themselves are great at taking text prompts and making wild images. They're not good at modifying an existing image of your bestie or your dog. Recently released open source model Dreamwidth solves this problem and is able to fine-tune these text-to-image models like Stable Diffusion by using your images and keeping you as a subject instead of an astronaut riding a horse. Thanks to these two models together, you're now able to send a few of your bathroom selfies in and get futuristic outputs out as results. And you don't need a PhD in computer science to run these yourself. There are tutorials using Hugging Face, Google Colab, and Replicate or your computer for you to run your own prompts and not have to pay $10 to $50 to generate these results like how some of these apps are charging. Now, some people argue that these tools are unethical because the artists that put their art online 5 years ago on some website didn't only consent for these models to use their art, even though they may have signed their rights away when they agreed to the terms of service. Others are worried that this will replace artists, while AI enthusiasts point to the inevitability of this technology and its benefits for making art accessible and basically making cool stuff. There are also rumors that TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat will add these features very soon. It's a complicated topic, and I'll just be eating popcorn and watch people argue about it. This is Lensa and Avatar AI Technology Explained in 2 minutes. Like and subscribe for more emerging tech content.